Most developers install the .NET SDK everywhere, but on production servers, that's more than you need. Here's why it matters. The .NET Runtime is the minimal component needed to run .NET applications. When your code is compiled, it becomes intermediate language, or IL. The runtime takes that IL and executes it on the host machine using a just-in-time compiler. It includes the core libraries your app depends on, but nothing for building or creating new projects. The .NET SDK is the full developer toolkit. It includes the compiler, the .NET CLI tools, project templates, the build system, and everything you need to write, build, and publish applications. When you run commands like .NET New, .NET Build, or .NET Run, that's all the SDK at work. Here's the critical relationship. The SDK includes the runtime. Think of the SDK as a superset. On a developer machine, you always install the SDK because you need the build tools. But on a production server, you've already compiled your app, so you only need the runtime. It's smaller, faster to install, and has a smaller security footprint. Runtime runs your app. SDK builds it and includes the runtime. Install the SDK to develop, the runtime to deploy. Now you know exactly what to say in your next interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.